Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite collaborators to your playlist that you have created on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the Your Library icon down below, which is the third option. Now select a playlist that you have created from the Your Library section. Click on it, then scroll down, and in the middle you can see that there are this three dots icon, so click on it. Scroll down till you find the Invite Collaborators option and click on it, meaning that you should select a social networking site and then invite collaborators, or you can either copy the link of it or send the invitation via message, Gmail, and other networking sites that are listed here, or via airdrop as well. And then basically that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.